On SEED, you will find energy related to electricity, heating, and cooling that is used in the building. This is referred to as the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, which accounts for the majority of the energy use in an entire building. When you hover over a building on SEED, what you will see are which commodities are metered at the building, and this could be chilled water, electricity, steam, or sometimes gas. The heating in a building is referred to as steam on SEED because it meters the steam that goes into the building. Similarly, the chilled water that goes to the building is then turned into cooling. On the demand graph, you can toggle the commodities on and off, as well as toggle on or off the outside air temperature. This could help you identify whether the building is functioning as you would expect. The expected trend that you might see when looking at a demand graph on SEED is for chilled water to increase as it gets hotter outside, for steam to decrease as it gets hotter outside, and for electricity to remain fairly constant except for in the evenings and on weekends. For buildings such as lab buildings, you might expect the energy to be reduced on nights and weekends, but not go down as much as you would in other buildings because lab processes actually have to continue 24/7 or maybe more often than a normal workday. Some buildings on SEED only show a dot instead of a circle. That means there is not a full picture of what is metered at the building. So for example, some buildings only have an electricity meter instead of having an electricity, chilled water, and steam meter. I use SEED to compare buildings to one another and look more in depth into how the building is operating. One of the things I most value about looking at SEED and working for the Energy Conservation Office is saving energy to not only save money, but to reach campus sustainability goals as well. My name is Dan Colvin. I'm a data scientist at the Energy Conservation Office.